Starting your photography journey can feel overwhelming, especially with so many cameras on the market. The good news? We've done the hard work for you. Whether you're capturing family memories, diving into vlogging, or exploring the creative world of photography, this list of the 5 best beginner-friendly cameras will set you up for success. From ease of use to affordability, these cameras are ideal for those just starting out. Let's explore these top picks and find the perfect camera for you. Kicking off our list at number 1, Nikon D3500. The Nikon D3500 is a gold standard for beginners venturing into DSLR photography. Designed with simplicity in mind, this camera combines Nikon's renowned image quality with a user-friendly interface, making it perfect for first-time photographers. Key features: the Nikon D3500 comes with a 24.2 MP APS-C CMOS sensor and Nikon's X-T200 image processor, which ensures sharp, vibrant photos in all lighting conditions. Its 5 frames per second continuous shooting and ISO range of 100 to 25,600 make it a reliable companion for capturing fast-moving subjects and low-light scenes. It also features a guide mode to walk beginners through the shooting process. Benefits and usage: this camera's lightweight build and ergonomic grip make it comfortable for prolonged use, whether you're at an event or out exploring. Its intuitive controls and guide mode simplify the complexities of DSLR photography, enabling beginners to learn while shooting. Plus, the 1080p Full HD video recording at 60 frames per second makes it versatile for both stills and videos. Usability: the Nikon D3500 is designed to be straightforward, with a layout that eliminates unnecessary buttons. The SnapBridge app enables seamless sharing of images to your smartphone, ideal for quick social media uploads. It's also compatible with Nikon's extensive lens lineup, giving you room to grow your photography skills. Durability: built with a sturdy plastic body, the Nikon D3500 is lightweight yet durable. Its robust design and long battery life, capable of capturing up to 1,550 shots on a single charge, ensure it will withstand frequent use and travel, making it a reliable first DSLR. In the second spot, we have Sony Alpha A6000. The Sony Alpha A6000 is an excellent entry point for those wanting to explore the world of mirrorless cameras. Compact yet powerful, it offers features that rival many higher-end models, making it ideal for beginners eager to step up their photography game. Key features: the Alpha A6000 features a 24.3 MP APS-C sensor, combined with Sony's Bionz X processor for exceptional image quality and fast processing. With an industry-leading 179-point autofocus system and 11 frames per second continuous shooting, it excels in capturing action shots. The OLED electronic viewfinder and customizable controls enhance its versatility. Benefits and usage: the Sony Alpha A6000's combination of speed and precision makes it ideal for shooting everything from landscapes to fast-moving subjects. Its 1080p video recording capabilities are perfect for vloggers and content creators. The lightweight design ensures portability, making it a great travel companion. Usability: the intuitive menu system and tiltable LCD screen make this camera beginner-friendly. Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity allow for easy image sharing and remote shooting via the Sony Play Memories app, adding convenience for tech-savvy users. Durability: the A6000 boasts a solid construction despite its lightweight build. While not weather-sealed, its compact body and reliable performance have earned it a reputation as a durable camera. Its battery life, at approximately 360 shots per charge, is decent for a mirrorless model. Coming in at number 3 is the Canon EOS M50. The Canon EOS M50 stands out as an excellent choice for beginners seeking versatility. This mirrorless camera offers advanced features in a compact body, delivering great performance for both still photography and video recording. Key features: the EOS M50 features a 24.1 MP APS-C sensor and Canon's Digic 8 processor, delivering stunning image quality and fast operation. Its dual-pixel autofocus system and 4K video recording set it apart in its class. The vari-angle touchscreen and built-in electronic viewfinder add to its usability. Benefits and usage: this camera excels in both photography and videography, making it a favorite for vloggers and aspiring creators. Its 4K video capabilities allow for high-quality recordings, while the vari-angle screen is perfect for selfies or shooting at tricky angles. Beginners will appreciate the intuitive touchscreen and guided shooting modes. Usability: the lightweight body and straightforward layout ensure a smooth experience for beginners. The EOS M50 offers seamless wireless connectivity via Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth, making it easy to share photos or control the camera remotely using Canon's Camera Connect app. Durability: despite its compact design, the Canon EOS M50 feels sturdy and well-built. Its battery life, at around 235 shots per charge, is suitable for casual use, although extra batteries might be necessary for extended shoots. Taking our fourth spot is Panasonic Lumix G7. The Panasonic Lumix G7 is a feature-packed mirrorless camera tailored for beginners wanting to explore advanced photography and videography. Its affordability and 4K capabilities make it a standout choice for budding creators. Key features: the Lumix G7 boasts a 16MP micro Four Thirds sensor and Venus engine processor, providing excellent image quality and fast performance. Its standout feature is 4K video recording, along with 4K photo modes for capturing high-resolution stills from video footage. The fully articulating screen and extensive controls add to its appeal. Benefits and usage: with its 4K capabilities, the Lumix G7 is a dream for aspiring videographers and photographers alike. The 4K photo mode is particularly useful for capturing decisive moments. Its lightweight body and ergonomic design make it suitable for both studio and outdoor use. Usability: beginners will appreciate the easy-to-navigate menu system and customizable buttons. The camera also features Wi-Fi connectivity for quick sharing and remote operation. Its high-resolution electronic viewfinder and touch-enabled LCD screen enhance the shooting experience. Durability: the Panasonic Lumix G7 is well-built for its price range, with a solid feel despite its lightweight plastic body. Its battery life, at approximately 360 shots per charge, is decent, and its performance is reliable for extended use. And finally, at number 5, we have Fujifilm X-T200. The Fujifilm X-T200 is a stylish and user-friendly camera designed to make photography accessible and enjoyable for beginners. Its combination of classic design and modern features ensures an engaging and creative experience. Key features: the X-T200 is equipped with a 24.2MP APS-C sensor and a fast image processor for detailed and vibrant images. Its standout features include a large 3.5-inch vari-angle touchscreen, 4K video recording, and film simulation modes that replicate Fujifilm's classic film stocks. Benefits and usage: the X-T200 is perfect for beginners who want both style and substance. Its film simulation modes offer creative options for unique photo finishes, while the vari-angle screen and 4K video capabilities make it a versatile tool for content creation. The lightweight design ensures portability without compromising functionality. Usability: the intuitive interface, coupled with a responsive touchscreen, makes the X-T200 a breeze to use for first-timers. Wireless connectivity via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enables easy sharing and smartphone integration, enhancing convenience for modern users. Durability: the Fujifilm X-T200 combines lightweight construction with a solid build. Its battery life of approximately 450 shots per charge is one of the best in its class, ensuring it can keep up with a full day of shooting. Choosing your first camera can be daunting, but each of these options offers a perfect balance of ease of use, performance, and affordability. Whether you prefer the classic feel of a DSLR or the compact versatility of a mirrorless system, these cameras provide an excellent starting point for your photography journey. Ready to capture amazing moments? Let us know which camera fits your needs in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful reviews. Happy shooting!